Why billionaires don't choose what they eat, and why you is destroying your career by doing it every day? Yes, I said, you is. If that annoyed you, good, stay with me. Let me ask you this. What if the reason you're mentally exhausted by 3 p.m. has nothing to do with your workload and everything to do with your lunch? Mark Zuckerberg wears the same shirt every day. Jeff Bezos avoids making decisions before 10 a.m. Not because they don't care, but because they understand something most ambitious professionals ignore. Decision-making capacity is limited, and wasting it on food is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Most people think decision fatigue comes from big choices. It doesn't. It comes from small, repeated decisions. Think about food alone: what to eat for breakfast, where to order lunch, whether to grab a snack, what to cook for dinner. That's 10 to 15 decisions every single day, just about eating. Each one burns the same mental fuel you need later for creative thinking, leadership, negotiations, and career-defining moments in the afternoon. Your brain doesn't care that the choice is small. It still costs. Now here's the trap. People say, I'm too busy to meal prep. But then they scroll delivery apps, compare options, wait for food, deal with wrong orders, and feel slow afterward. That's 15 to 20 minutes a day. Over a week, more than 2 hours of food chaos. Yet a 90-minute Sunday prep feels impossible. Why? Because your brain sees concentrated effort as more expensive than scattered time, even when the math proves the opposite. Elite performers understand this. They don't improvise daily decisions. They eliminate them. They don't wake up asking what to eat. Meals are systemized, same base ingredients, rotated flavors, zero daily thought. Not because routine is boring, but because routine protects performance. And this scales to you. You don't need a personal chef. You need a system. Once a week, 90 focused minutes, a pre-written shopping list, 5 meals cooked like a production line, same ingredients, 3 different sauces. Portion it simply. 40% vegetables, 30% protein, 20% healthy fats, 10% carbs. Label it, stack it. Done. Monday to Friday, you open the fridge, grab fuel, and move on. No apps, no waiting, no decisions. This isn't discipline. This is automation. You don't debate brushing your teeth every morning. After a few weeks, this becomes the same. Now let's answer the question from the beginning. Why are you exhausted by 3 p.m.? It's not your job. It's not your motivation. It's the dozens of tiny food decisions you made before the important work even started. Billionaires don't try harder. They decide less. And when you stop asking, what should I eat every day, your brain finally has space for better questions. How do I think bigger? How do I lead better? How do I win the afternoon? And yes, I said you is on purpose. If that bothered you, comment why. If this helped you, comment system greater than willpower. Like the video, subscribe for more systems like this, and remember, high performance isn't about doing more, it's about deciding less on purpose.